Friends, if you don't have a fancy degree or a technical background and you want to work in a big company like Flipkart, then believe me, today's video has been made to fulfill that very dream. Friends, Flipkart has introduced a scheme among us where Flipkart itself will teach you how to work, provide training, and even offer you a good salary and a permanent job afterward. Because friends, Flipkart's SCOA, Supply Chain Operations Associate scheme, is giving you this golden opportunity to fulfill your dreams. Friends, if you have passed 10th, 12th or even done ITI, you can apply for this job. No graduation or higher degree is required here. What happens is that you'll receive 60 days of training where Flipkart's industry experts will train you, and at the end of the training, you'll receive a recognized Flipkart and NSDC certificate, which can open even more doors for you in the future. Friends, during the training, you'll also receive a stipend of around 17,000 rupees per month. And after completing the training, you may even get a permanent job at Flipkart with a good salary. Friends, the scheme I'm talking about is an entry-level program that Flipkart runs to strengthen its supply chain network. Here, you get the opportunity to become a professional part of Flipkart's warehouse and logistics operations. Now, you might be wondering what kind of work is involved or what the course is like. So, friends, let me explain in detail. It includes proper packing and shipping of goods, inventory management, barcode scanning, product location and tracking, and most importantly, how to efficiently manage the entire process on time. Friends, Flipkart has warehouses all over the country: Delhi, Bengaluru, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Lucknow, Patna, and many other cities. After training, you may be posted in these cities with a good salary. To apply, you can visit the NSDC website or apply through Flipkart's SCOA training partners. Let me show you how to apply live so you don't make any mistakes. But for that, I expect one thing from all of you. Subscribe to the channel so that whenever I bring such informative videos, you get them first and don't miss any opportunity. First, click on the official link in the description. After coming here, you'll see Welcome to Flipkart SCOA program. You can read all the details yourself. Let me directly guide you on how to apply. After scrolling down, you'll first need to fill in basic details: your first name, last name, mobile number, OTP, email ID, and create a password. Select your gender, mention your date of birth, and then scroll further to fill in your address details: state, city, district, etc. Next, provide your qualification details. As I mentioned earlier, even if you've only completed 8th grade or ITI, you can apply. Select your highest qualification, whether you've completed it or are still studying, and provide details of your school or university. In the employment section, mention if you're currently working somewhere, have worked at Flipkart before, or have done any internships. Also, mention if you have basic computer or Excel skills. After filling in all details, tick the box and submit. Once submitted, you'll receive a confirmation email. The training lasts 60 days, 2 months, during which you'll receive a stipend. After training, a small test will be conducted, and based on performance, you may get a permanent job at Flipkart. I have explained the application process. Selection depends on your dedication and learning ability. Many candidates secure permanent jobs. I hope all your questions are answered. If you have any queries, comment below and I'll reply immediately.